SBR TV and SBRforum.com with a CONCACAF Gold Cup betting preview. The Gold Cup enters the quarter-final stage and 8 teams are left standing. Most are anticipating Mexico and the USA rekindling their rivalry in the final. But first off, the US will have to get past Jamaica and Mexico will at least have to show up to play Guatemala. There's no doubt about it, Mexico has been the most dominant team in this year's edition of the Gold Cup, and as such they are the biggest betting favourite on the board, right now at -900 at Bodog. The unlikely but always possible Guatemala upset is priced at +1600 and the draw is priced at +600. Guatemala secured qualification into the quarter-final going 1-1-1. The team lost to Jamaica in the first Group B match and ended the next against Honduras in a scoreless draw. The game following that against Grenada resuscitated the team to life. Los Chapines outscored Grenada 4-0 to secure a berth in the quarter-finals. Guatemala has only advanced past the group stage twice, reaching the semis in '96 and the quarter-finals in 2007. Mexico came into the tournament as the co-favourite with the US, and they have done absolutely nothing to dispel this notion and everything to enhance it. They have been dominant to say the least, despite losing 5 members of their team due to positive drug tests during the tournament. El Tri has played with the swagger of a team that can score as many goals as it chooses. It tallied 14 in its 3 Group A wins, led by Chicharito Hernandez 5 goals and some amazing attacking football. They yielded just 1 goal, a stunning strike from Marco Ureña in a 4-1 win over the highly regarded Costa Rica last Sunday. Many SBR handicappers are seeing Mexico as a lock, and some professional handicappers are predicting a final score of 3-0 and even 4-0 to Mexico. If you're as confident as they are, then avoid the moneyline odds and take Mexico -2.5 at -125. Still though, Guatemala head coach and players are insisting that they are not afraid of Mexico and they are confident that they have a chance. But that's just the team's perspective, and I'm not seeing many handicappers with a similar faith. But what we can expect is the Guatemalans to employ some stalling tactics while trying to break the pace of the game. If Guatemala can accomplish this, there might be some value in the under 3.5 total, currently at even odds. It's also worth factoring in that this is the only Gold Cup quarter-final matchup with a total higher than 2.5. If you'd like to just bet for fun, you can join SBR Sportsbook today, set up a free account and challenge your friends or other SBR posters with SBR points that are completely free. Thanks for watching and check out YouTube/SBR Forum for more Gold Cup quarter-final previews, now also in Spanish.